It's 2025 and you're probably asking yourself, what broker am I gonna use this year? Now, what I can tell you is this: HankoX is the #1 platform when it comes to Forex trading, and this broker has been around for years. Now, if you are a trader that wants to go ahead and trade using the old Metatrader, we actually have the ability now to use a new platform called MTX4. Okay, now this is a custom branded Metatrader. Okay, this is a duplicate of Metatrader, and this is brought to you by HankoX's partner MagnoFX. So if you guys wanted to go ahead and get access to all of this and learn a little bit more about which broker is right for you, now is the time for you to visit hankox.com. You guys can either go to hankox.com or use the link in the description, and pretty much you're going to be able to bring to this page right here, and setting up literally only takes 3 seconds. Okay, now keep in mind that if you sub to this channel, in my next video I will go ahead and show you guys not only how to go ahead and set up your MTX4, but I will also show you exactly how to set up eatrader.com, your expert advisor, on MagnoFX using the MTX4 platform. Okay, so until the next video, guys, I'm out. We have a great bonus for you guys right now. If you guys want to go ahead and join, this is the time. We have the holiday special, the great bonus, 200%. So, you know, you can literally load up $100 and get $300 to trade with, and no other broker is doing that right now. And this is only for the next few hours. So sign up now. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.